One thing I believe about gardens, you have to have drama. Now, when you do want to have drama, these are the best plants to have. Now, they have a very interesting name. They're called the foxtail or the lion's tail or the swan's neck. And I'm going to explain to you why as we go along. The thing about this plant, it is a succulent cacti. And the most beautiful thing about it, it's just full of drama. It flowers only once in 10 years and produces this amazing bloom on a stalk. And then once it produces the stalk, it dies. So we're going to learn about this plant and we're going to look at it and try to understand it. And so my name is Alice and I'm the Red Soil Gardener. I'm in a different section of my garden, and again I have my foxtail stroke swan's neck, and basically these beautiful plants is that they create drama. And so what I did here in this section is I have 3 of them, and I opened up this space because this is my focal point for these flowers. So basically, if you do want to have drama, use them and clump them together, or use them in borders or in rock gardens, or even if you have a small place, you can actually put it in a pot and it'll look wonderful. The beautiful thing is actually the design of a rosetta. And I think that's where the drama is. And then what happens is that when it does flower, you get the flower jutting out from the middle. And that's where you get the name, the foxtail, the lion's tail, or the swan's neck, is that this big stalk juts out like this and bends downwards, and it's furry with all those lovely white flowers and yellow mix. So as this plant produces this beautiful swan neck, just full of clusters of little flowers, now this is an indication that it's coming to the end of its cycle, because after it does flower, it dies. And then the other thing is that some people try to prevent the plant from dying, so they do cut the stalk, but even if you do cut the stalk, the plant will still die. As this plant matures, its trunk gets taller and it sometimes cannot support the weight of the succulent, and what happens is it'll tip over. But not to worry, but what happens is that as you look below, you already get suckers, and these little suckers are the baby plants, and you just need to go in there and take them out and replant it in a different place. So another way, apart from picking these suckers and planting it, is that if you do want to transplant that plant to another area, all you must make sure you do is you go into the trunk and cut it where the greenest part of it is and get it to callus, and then you can replant it in a different spot. You cannot propagate using the leaves, you will use the suckers, and also if you want to transplant the whole plant, all you need to do is chop the trunk and get it to callus, and then plant it in a different location and it will grow. And that's what I did with these ones. Now the type of soil they usually like is just like any ordinary cactus, so it could be sort of sandy soil. You could plant them in a more gravel soil that has good drainage, because once again, as cactus, you know, it's you need a well-draining soil. Now the other thing is that you can plant them in shade, as I did here, but I do even have other swan's necks in my garden where they get full sun, but once again they don't like the sun, like a desert sun, very intense, because it does damage their leaves, but it can tolerate full sun. Now the thing is that in terms of caring for your plant, you can remove the leaves at the base because sometimes they're broken, but what I would do is just get a knife and just slice it off, because usually with gardening shears it's actually quite tough to actually remove them. So basically there is no real pests or diseases that this plant will get. But at the same time is that if you do get a slug on it, is that you can just pick it up and throw it away. But basically it is a beautiful plant, and I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Do go and get yourself a plant because it is so dramatic. And you will get babies because, as we've noted, they are suckers, and you can use that to transplant it into a different area. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this episode and all this drama with this flower. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We do post more about plants, and we give tips on plant care, and you can DM us and also share your ideas, because we're all learning. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and don't forget to press that notification button. It means a lot to us. Thank you so much, and have a lovely day.